Hello, hello, hello. I am back. Surprise! It is January, and I have been having a phenomenal 2025, and I'm back. Like I want to start at least doing this one monthly call. I am hoping to do more coming, but let's get started one step at a time, right? So, a lot of things have happened in 2025. I'm sure a lot of things have happened for you too. I've gotten a lot of systems in place. I brought on a partner, and together we are growing the accounting business. There's a separate new business now. So, this is still me, Saw Cheryl, sawcheryl.com. And then we also have the business that is all the services that you've known to come and expect from me, but also some more things. Like we have full service bookkeeping now. We have DIY bookkeeping through Zero. We have bookkeeping cleanup. We are both annual, uh, where we can do audit, we can do walk through audits with you from the IRS. So if you get audited, we can help you if we have done your tax return this year. So this is going forward. By the end of the year, we will both be enrolled agents. And then we can help you with any tax returns that you may get audited from. So there's that. So a lot of things are coming. I have the membership group still. It's going strong over on School. You can join it for free now. So you can join it for free. Ask questions in the discussion area, and then should you choose to actually listen to the replays, which we are actually recording the accounting calls now. So if you want to listen to the replays or join me live for 5 hours a month, I go live 5 hours a month answering your questions, helping you do your bookkeeping, getting those categories corrected, maximizing those deductions, helping you grow other revenue streams. So if you want to spend that time with me every month, 5 hours a month for $25, that's only $5, a week, really. Or that's if it's a 5 week month, right? I'm trying to do simple math here. I'm an accountant. I use a calculator. Tax preparation is all about the laws and the rules. It's less about the math. But the point is, I'm back. I want to welcome you all back, and I want to see what you guys are up to. How was business in 2025? You know, like fill me in, tell me all the good stuff. I had a little bit of problems getting this started because it had been a while. Scott, hey, welcome. Good to see you. Happy New Year to you too. I hope you are both doing well. And I look forward to meeting with you and talking with you this year and seeing how business has grown and the grandkids and all that. So, yeah. But yeah, so we have a client portal now. Everything is handled in the client portal. We have organizers, engagement letters, all the things. Scott says, got behind on my accounting again. And you know what? That is the cornerstone of what I do. I help you to get caught up and then stay caught up. That's what my membership is really all about, is to, make sure that hmm, um, make sure that you get caught up and stay caught up, because you can't maximize those deductions after the fact, right? You have to be sure that you're claiming all the things at the time, because if you wait and you do it later, you're inevitably going to leave things on the table. So you're going to end up paying more taxes than what you should have paid. So the better we can get a handle on the bookkeeping and the more I can help you do that, then the better off you are. With the membership, I've incentivized it, right? So it's only $25 a month. But if you come in and you're active in the discussion area and you do your bookkeeping and you're up to date on your bookkeeping, and you join us on the live calls first Wednesday of the month. Hey, that's today. You still have time. The first call is in 20 minutes. So if you want to join the group, shoot me a message, shoot me a text, something, and I'll get you the link for that. I will try and put it in the comments below, in the top comment below right after this call, so that you can join me over there. So on the first Wednesday of the month, we have two. We have one that starts at noon Eastern time, so that's 20 minutes from right now, and we also have one at 6:30 on the first Wednesday. So I've tried to make sure that the most calls, the most help gets done on the first Wednesday of the month, so that we can be sure to get all of your bookkeeping caught up. So if you join on those calls and your bookkeeping gets caught up, and you are active in the discussion area, the top 3 people are eligible to get $25 for first place, $13.50 for second place, no, $12.50 for second place, and $8.33 for third place. So you have the potential to make your money back just by doing the things that you want to do, and it's already very low priced, less than $1 a day, if you're paying for the membership at $25 a month. So there's that. So where is your bookkeeping? Are you ready for tax season? Scott's already admitted that he's not quite ready. He got behind on his bookkeeping again, but that's okay. We still have time. We can help you get it caught up. Two, where are you with your net? So you have to know what your final numbers are on your bookkeeping. Make sure that all of that has been maximized. And then look, if you're using my workbook, right, you're looking at the little green box. If you're using software, then you want to look at your P&L. What is your bottom line? Do you still have positive net income? If you still have positive net income, then we need to consider what your what your tax liability is going to be. And if you have tax liability, we want to reduce that tax liability to below $1,000, and we have 8 days to do that. So we have 8 days to make sure your bookkeeping is caught up, to see what your tax liability could potentially be. And once we have that, then you can make a estimated tax payment in January by the 15th to reduce your tax liability to below $1,000. Now you have to do that for federal and state if you're in a state that has income taxes for that state. That way you avoid penalties and interest. I'm not the type of person that says, hey, we have to do this every quarter, but I am the one that says, let's do it by January 15th. Okay. So that we can mitigate any problems going forward. But hopefully you follow what I teach you and you don't have any net income overall that you have to pay taxes on, any business income that you have to pay taxes on, because you are doing all the things that I suggest that you do and you're maximizing those deductions. I'm a serial entrepreneur. When I run out of deductions, I start a new business. Like, that's my biggest tax hack. I just start a new business. My goal is to eventually, as I do this, that I am snowballing income so that I can buy real estate. Like that's my end goal. My end goal is to be able to start buying real estate. This business and life and taxes advisory solutions will always be in effect. I will always do these two things. The other things in between may or may not. We'll have to see how those things grow, how they what kind of income they generate, what kind of expenses they generate, because if they're not generating great expenses as compared to the income, then maybe it's not the right thing for me to do, right? But the goal again is to get to the point where I have enough money to start buying real estate, and that money will continually go into real estate to create more money. Eventually, we'll see. Eventually, I'll probably find some other ways to reduce expenses, but I got to get there first. Just like you, I have to get there first. So I don't want to go too far off into the future. I have always been one that I'm going to come to you as I am. It might be in my pajamas, and my hair might not be the greatest. And obviously, I rarely wear makeup. But I'm here as me. And I'm here to help you be you right where you are, and to help you grow your income and live your best life, or live your best tax deductible life, however you want to look at it. It is all about living each day and not just surviving, right? So we want to have that time to spend with the people that we care about the most, and doing the things that we love the most, and keeping the money in our pocket and stimulating the economy on our own instead of giving it to the government and letting them do what they want to with it, which is maybe not in our best interest. So, all right. So I will drop the link to the membership below, and you've still got time to join over there. Even if you don't get in for the call that starts in 13 minutes, then you can always get in on the call that's this evening. And it's the same week after week, right? It's you come in and you ask the questions and you talk about your life and your business, and we help you where you're at. All right. So if you haven't made your tax appointment yet, get that on the books. If you need help with your bookkeeping, make an appointment or send us a message at info@lifeandtaxesadvisory.com. Again, that's info@lifeandtaxesadvisory.com. And like I said, I will put all the links below, and I hope to see you over on School, because it's a great platform, super easy to use, and you can join for free. Alrighty? Bye, everybody.